AI is transforming the world at breakneck speed, with breakthroughs happening almost weekly. Today we're counting down 10 jobs that AI is set to replace or radically transform by 2025, jobs already being impacted by real deployed technology. Stick around to see if your profession made the list. Let's dive in. Number 10 on our list is the data entry clerk, a role that, for decades, has been the backbone of administrative work in offices around the world. Data entry clerks are responsible for inputting, updating, and maintaining information in computer systems, often spending hours each day typing up forms, invoices, and reports. The work is highly repetitive, rule-based, and requires a keen eye for detail, but it can also be monotonous and mentally draining. This job is built on performing the same tasks over and over, following strict guidelines to ensure accuracy. For many, it's a reliable entry-level position, but it's also one of the first to be targeted by automation. Today, advanced AI technologies like optical character recognition, OCR, and robotic process automation, RPA, are revolutionizing the field. These systems can now handle massive volumes of data, processing information far faster and with greater accuracy than any human could hope to achieve. With the click of a button, these AI tools extract information from forms, emails, and scanned documents, automatically populating databases in a matter of seconds. There are no coffee breaks, no fatigue, and no risk of human error or typos, just consistent, reliable results. As a result, companies are rapidly replacing entire teams of typists with a single AI system. This shift slashes operational costs, boosts efficiency, and allows businesses to process more data than ever before, all while reducing the need for manual labor. The role of the data entry clerk is evolving. Instead of spending hours typing, employees now supervise AI systems, review processed data for accuracy, and handle exceptions or complex cases that the software can't manage on its own. Analytical and problem-solving skills are becoming more valuable than fast typing. While the demand for data processing continues to grow in our digital world, the need for humans to manually key in information is quickly disappearing. Offices that once buzzed with the sound of keyboards are now quieter, with fewer employees needed to manage the same workload. The traditional data entry job, as we once knew it, is rapidly becoming obsolete. Its days are truly numbered, as automation and AI reshape the future of office work. Number 9. Telemarketers. AI-powered voice assistants now make thousands of calls at once, delivering pitches and handling objections with human-like voices. These systems analyze your words and tone, tailoring conversations in real time. For businesses, it's a no-brainer. AI never gets tired, never goes off script, and costs a fraction of a human agent. The classic call center is being replaced by servers running AI programs. Humans may still close complex deals, but for cold calls, AI is simply more efficient. The traditional telemarketer role is quickly becoming obsolete. Number 8. Retail cashiers. For decades, retail cashiers have been the friendly faces at the end of our shopping trips, scanning items, bagging groceries, and handling payments. But now, this familiar role is undergoing a dramatic transformation. Self-checkout kiosks and AI-powered systems are rapidly taking over checkout lanes everywhere, making it easier than ever for customers to scan and pay for their own items without waiting in line for a cashier. Advanced computer vision technology can now identify produce, weigh items, and even prevent theft, all without human intervention. In some stores, like Amazon Go, you can simply grab what you need and walk out. No lines, no scanning, and no need to interact with a cashier at all. Retailers are embracing these changes for the cost savings and increased speed at checkout, while customers appreciate the added convenience and shorter wait times. The entire shopping experience is becoming faster and more efficient. Of course, human staff will still play important roles in stocking shelves, assisting customers with questions, and handling special situations, but the traditional dedicated cashier position is shrinking fast as automation takes over routine transactions. Automation is transforming the checkout process from a human-centered task to a seamless tech-driven experience. Mobile payments, contactless cards, and digital receipts are becoming the norm, making shopping more streamlined than ever before. For many cashiers, the writing is on the wall. As more stores invest in automation, the need for traditional cashiers continues to decline, leaving fewer opportunities in this once common job. The job is being systematically automated away, replaced by machines that can work around the clock, never needing breaks or time off. The future of retail is increasingly human-free at the register, signaling a major shift in how we shop and interact with stores. As technology continues to advance, the role of the retail cashier may soon become a thing of the past. Number 7. Travel agents. The internet already disrupted this field, but AI is finishing the job. AI trip planners can instantly create personalized itineraries, find deals, and book everything based on your preferences. They analyze thousands of options, optimize routes, and even suggest hidden gems. For most travelers, these tools are faster, cheaper, and more powerful than any human agent. Only ultra-high-end, bespoke travel consultants will survive. For everyone else, AI is the new travel agent. Number 6. Fast food workers. Touchscreen kiosks are replacing order takers, and robots like Flippy are cooking burgers and fries with perfect consistency. AI-powered kitchen assistants handle repetitive, physically demanding tasks, improving efficiency and safety. Fully automated, human-free fast food restaurants are on the horizon. The industry's focus on speed and consistency makes it a perfect fit for automation. Human roles are being reduced to oversight and exception handling. The traditional fast food job is being deconstructed, one automated task at a time. The future kitchen, mostly robots. The human fast food worker is quickly becoming a thing of the past. Number 5. Bank tellers. ATMs, online banking, and AI-powered apps now handle almost every transaction once done at the counter. You can deposit checks, transfer money, and get financial advice, all from your phone, 24/7. Banks are closing branches and shifting remaining staff to advisory roles. The core teller tasks, counting cash, processing checks, answering simple questions, are nearly all automated. AI is more efficient and cost-effective for routine banking. Human tellers are fading into history, replaced by digital solutions. The everyday bank teller role is disappearing fast. Number 4. Proofreaders. AI writing assistants like Grammarly now catch grammar, spelling, and style errors in real time. These tools analyze context, suggest rephrasings, and even check tone and readability. For most business and online writing, AI is faster, cheaper, and more accessible than a human proofreader. High-level editors will still be needed for novels and legal documents, but the everyday proofreader is being replaced by software. The job is shifting from manual correction to overseeing AI suggestions. For general content, the standalone proofreader is becoming redundant. AI is now the editor on your shoulder. Number 3. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots and virtual assistants now handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously, 24/7. They provide instant answers for routine issues, freeing up humans for complex or sensitive cases. Companies benefit from lower costs and higher customer satisfaction. The frontline support role is being automated, with humans moving to specialist positions. The job isn't vanishing, but it's evolving fast. AI is now the first point of contact for most customer service needs. Number 2. Warehouse workers. E-commerce warehouses now use fleets of robots to fetch, pack, and sort items, all coordinated by AI. Robots bring shelves to humans, reducing walking and speeding up fulfillment. Robotic arms and conveyor systems handle packing and sorting, while computer vision tracks every package. Humans are needed for tricky tasks, but the core repetitive work is automated. The job is shifting from manual labor to robotics oversight and maintenance. As costs drop, automation will only increase. The warehouse of the future is a high-tech, robot-driven operation. The traditional warehouse worker role is rapidly disappearing. Number 1. Taxi drivers and all professional drivers. For decades, these individuals have been the backbone of urban transportation, navigating busy streets, picking up passengers, and keeping cities moving around the clock. Their knowledge of city shortcuts and traffic patterns has long been invaluable, making them a vital part of daily life in every major city. But the landscape is changing fast. Ride-hailing apps like Uber and Lyft have already transformed the business, making it easier than ever to get a ride with just a tap. Now, the next wave of disruption is here: self-driving cars, which are poised to eliminate the need for a human driver entirely. These AI-powered vehicles rely on a sophisticated network of sensors, cameras, and real-time data to navigate safely and efficiently through complex city environments. They can detect obstacles, read traffic signals, and make split-second decisions, all without human intervention. In fact, autonomous taxis are already operating in select cities around the world, picking up and dropping off passengers with no one behind the wheel. What once seemed like science fiction is now a reality on our streets. The economic incentives for this shift are enormous. Robo-taxis can run 24/7, never needing brakes, and operate at a fraction of the cost of traditional taxis. This means cheaper rides for passengers and higher profits for companies. As the technology continues to mature and improve, we'll see a rapid shift from human-driven vehicles to fully autonomous fleets, managed and monitored by teams of engineers rather than individual drivers. And it's not just taxis that will be affected. Trucking, delivery services, and even public transportation are all on the verge of being transformed by autonomous vehicles, reshaping the entire transportation industry. The impact on employment will be massive. Millions of driving jobs that have supported families for generations, are now at risk of disappearing as automation takes over. The transition to autonomous vehicles is accelerating. It's no longer a question of if this will happen, but when. The countdown has already begun, and the pace is only picking up. The era of the human driver is coming to an end, marking a profound shift in how we move through our cities and live our daily lives. That's our list. 10 jobs on the front lines of the AI revolution. It's natural to feel anxious, but remember, every tech shift creates new opportunities. Many jobs are evolving, not disappearing, shifting toward oversight, creativity, and strategy. The future is about working with AI, not against it. Stay informed, keep learning, and adapt. Those are the keys to thriving in the new job market. Was your job on the list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.